In this short tutorial, I'm showing you how you can create a branded contact form using AI in just a couple of seconds. So we're using a tool called Weavly.ai. When we start for free, we dive into a AI editor space, essentially a chat on the left and the form that you're building in the middle. So let's first ask it to just create a contact form, and we'll add the branding in a second. So create contact form. It's going to come up with a couple of questions. It's a contact form, so it's not going to be anything very fancy. Name, email, and message kind of makes sense. And now we can ask it to brand it and just give it our brand, and we'll do it. So brand this according to Coca-Cola.com, for example. So what this is going to do is it's going to go fetch the brand online and then apply it to our form, right? And so in just a second, we have a top banner, which is from Coca-Cola. We have our logo right here, and you can see the color here is the one that matches the Coca-Cola brand. So that's how fast you can actually go from needing a form that is branded to having something which you can publish straight away, copy, send out to respondents, and capture all of that data that you need while still looking professional and on brand. Of course, if you need to send that data to integrations, if you need to add more advanced features such as conditional logic and that sort of stuff, I have other tutorials about that. But essentially, Weavly is the way to go if you need a branded form in under, 20 seconds.